Until a few decades ago, Dubai was a mere dot in the desert. Today, home to 3.8 million people, it has transformed into a global powerhouse. Here's a look at why Dubai is the aspirational living and investment destination for millions. Dubai sits on the crossroads of Asia, Europe and Africa, making it accessible within an 8-hour flight to almost two-thirds of the world. It also bridges the time zones between the East and the West, handling markets from the Far East to America all in the same day. Dubai is one of the fastest growing cities in the world. In the year 2000, the city's population was just about 907,000. At the end of 2024, the population has surged to 3.79 million. The city is attracting more millionaires than any other. In 2024 alone, 6,700 millionaires were expected to move to the city. In 2024, Dubai was ranked 4th globally for safety, dominating 11 world safety metrics. The city continues to uphold one of the lowest crime rates in the world and is amongst one of the safest destinations for women. Dubai prides itself in being a friendly and inclusive community that values diversity and respects people from different cultures and religions. Dubai enjoys long-term political stability and maintains an open diplomacy policy with close to 200 countries. Dubai's Education 33 strategy aims at placing the city among the top 10 global cities for education by the year 2033. The city boasts of 216 private schools offering 17 different curriculums, 274 registered early learning centers, and 34 international accredited universities. Aligned with Dubai Economic Agenda D33, Dubai Health Authorities is leading the way with advanced technology, world-class infrastructure, and government-backed initiatives. As of 2024, Dubai has over 5,000 licensed healthcare facilities and over 59,500 healthcare professionals. Medical tourism is on the rise as well. In 2023 alone, over 691,000 tourists visited the city for medical purposes, spending over 1 billion dirhams. Dubai is a thriving entrepreneurial hub, fostering innovation and supporting startups through various initiatives and incubators. Investors can benefit from over 40 free zones across the UAE, 26 of which are located in Dubai, offering full foreign ownership with investor-friendly policies, efficient government services, and a transparent legal framework. The UAE dirham is pegged to the US dollar, giving confidence and stability to businesses. It also offers them unparalleled access to the world's highest potential markets. Dubai's government has committed $74 billion towards infrastructure projects and public works, enhancing connectivity, logistics, and the overall living experience in the city. Jebel Ali Port in Dubai is the busiest port in the region and the 9th busiest port in the world. Dubai International Airport is currently the busiest airport in the world. In 2024, the government announced the expansion of the new Al Maktoum International Airport with an estimated cost of $36 billion. On completion, it is going to be the largest airport in the world. Dubai's transformation under the leadership of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is a global inspiration, turning ambitious visions into reality. Dubai's economic agenda, D33, aims at doubling the size of Dubai's economy by the year 2033 and consolidating its position as the top 3 global city. The 2040 Urban Master Plan aims at doubling the size of Dubai's population by the year 2040. It also aims to increase its green and recreational spaces. The 2071 Centennial Plan is a long-term, full-vision plan extending over 5 decades starting from 2021. Dubai is committed on all fronts to becoming one of the best cities in the world to live, work, and invest in. At Arna Real Estate, we're here to help you be part of this incredible journey. Whether it's finding your dream home or building your legacy in this global powerhouse, let's shape your Dubai story together.